Lightning, quit it.
Flurry's a little Eskimo.
It's that one little spot in his nose just like sticks to it.
Does it smell funny, bud? Huh? Does it smell funny? Lightning. Hi, pretty boy. Oh, did you smell it again? Is it stinky? What do you smell on it? You smell another doggy? Do you smell another doggy on there? You are so cute. Lightning. Hi, buddy. Lightning. Pretty boy. Pretty boy. Pretty boy. Lightning. Does it stink, bud? Does it smell funny? Poor Flurry.
One pharmacist started it all. Charles Walgreen had a mission to help people be happy and healthy. From inventing the first chocolate ball to creating a non-profit pharmacy for our troops to the first child safety caps, Walgreens has been innovating for over 100 years. And we're
Aw, do you give each other a kiss?
more and more ways to be well every day. Here at the corner of happy and healthy.
Lightning's like, what did you do to him? He's so worried. Look, what's the matter, buddy? Lightning. Lightning. Hi. He's falling asleep.
For you,
Did you see that?
you make dinner together every night.
Look at him.
When you're
Flurry's falling asleep.
cooking, the only place to be is Time Warner Cable. Enjoy
Oh.
everything you love, even better. Movies without downtime, games without lifetime. Do whatever you love with the best
Oh,
internet
my
around.
gosh.
Call 855-419-7388 for internet packages starting as low as $19.99 a month. Time Warner Cable. Enjoy better. Find your job now with USA Job TV.
Nope. Does it scare you, buddy?
3 years pharmacy management and hospital records preferred. Showing Mission Medical Center needs experienced nurses for nights, labor, delivery, and ED, critical care, and
You're practically laying on him, Lightning.
advancing the power of medicine.
Look
The University of
at
Kansas
Flurry.
and occupational therapy.
Aww.
And it's speech language pathology.
He's so tired.
TV. There's an app for that. Download your free mobile app today.
Closed captioning and other considerations.
Two lazy dogs.
Being provided by
Got a squirmy baby? Are you ready for the easy on, easy off challenge? With Huggies slip-on diapers. They're easy on.
He's so worried about it.
The challenge at Huggies.com/easy. Netflix is an incredible service that lets you watch as many TV episodes and movies as you want instantly. You watch on your TV through a game console or other devices connected to the internet. Best of all, it's only $8 a month. Start your free trial today.
Hi. Lightning.
You can buy this Acer Ultrathin laptop with a credit card, or you could get it at Renaissance with a RAG Flex plan. What's the difference? With RAG Flex plan, you